How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here at the Character Warehouse here on Vineland. We will be going inside soon and checking out the items. Of course, I'll let you know how long the wait time is. Currently 11:26, and we'll see you inside. Total wait time was 13 minutes, and let's get it going. So Boba Fett shirt here, $7.99. Empire Strikes Back 40 figurine one, $7.99. Star Wars, $7.99. And Hakuna Matata for $7.99, all in kid sizes here. These are Monsters Inc. Shoelace Charms 3+ for $4.99. We got a Mickey hat. Ooh, might have to pick this up for the kids. It doesn't look like, it just says $14.99 on that one, but it looks very cool. Forky sweater for $14.99, very thick, very fluffy, adorable. Very colorful Spirit jersey here for $44.99, and a patriotic flag castle there for $12.99. An all black with gold lettering Spirit jersey, $44.99. Yeah. It says Disneyland on it. I really like this Pandora shirt. They only have it in small, and it is $9.99, but looks great. I like this shirt here, $24.99. Life is Rough, and it has all the different dogs from different movies there. Birds of a Feather for $19.99, and You Had Me at Walt Disney World for $19.99. Tank tops here, this one being $24.99. This one also $24.99. This one $24.99. And they only have this in extra small and medium for $24.99, but that one looks really good. Halloween canvas tote bags for $5.99. Halloween items. There's a sweater over here too. Here it is, and they have multiple sizes. This is an extra large here. You can see it says Walt Disney World and Halloween on the back. I know there's coin press machines all over the parks, $3.99, but this is a coin press book. And you open it up and you put all your coins in there as you collect them. That's awesome. Rainbow Unicorn Pop figurine from Inside Out. It says right there. $10.99. Princess Flip Flops, $7.99. As you can see right there. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique Sashes for 99 cents. And Belle Light Up Bow or Cindy Light Up Bow for $9.99. Bunch of Norwegian Cruise Line $3.99 ornaments here. Bunch of 2020 cruise merchandise they have. This picture frame here, $5.99. You got the Disney Fantasy and the Wonder for $9.99. They're very heavy. Plenty of ink and paint items still left here. You can see this one right here, $9.99. Pixar jacket for $24.99. Pixar ball jacket, windbreaker for $34.99. And this Disney Springs Christmas tree trail of 2019 for $4.99. Assorted Spirit jerseys, only one per guest per SKU, so that would be one of them right there, $44.99. And then the yellow one here for $44.99. And this kind of pinkish gold, I'll say Disneyland on them, $44.99. Castaway Key shirt, $16.99, extra small and medium available. Disney Wonder Alaska 2020 for $12.99. And a hoodie, Disney Cruise Line 2020. I don't see a discount. There it is, $14.99. Found the price of this thing. Toy Story zip kit here, $7.99. Comes with pencils, pens, and an assortment. That's pretty cool, especially with back to school coming up so soon. Lots of pins, Star Wars ones here, $3.99. This is Droid Depot for $3.99. There's a bunch of Star Wars pins, some starter kits, some pin booster kits. Disney Cruise Line 2020 for $5.99. Rock and Roller Coaster, $5.99. And Trekkin' with Mickey $5.99. Star Wars Jabba plushie, $12.99 here. And a Yoda figurine. All I see is $22.99 on the tag. There you go, get yourself a Yoda. $5.99 for Forky. Alright, we're picking up a Forky for sure. Still have some throw blankets here, $24.99. Very soft. Looks like an apron. I'm not seeing it. Maybe the price is on one of these. There we go. Oh, I just see $34.99, but we'll find it. Some towels for $12.99. Just rolled out this assorted sunglass set here for $5.99. So we got pink, one with studs on it, $5.99. And the last item is going to be this $140 dress right here. Originally $350, and they have a smaller one over here for $140. Another very successful trip to the Character Warehouse, as we bought a lot of stuff. You can't go in there and not buy something. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big old like, and of course subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we'll be coming back to the Character Warehouse very soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.